children, today we are going to learn about cars like this. This and this. These cars are super cars because they are super fast. These cars are so fancy and so beautiful. These cars are super expensive to buy. And these cars are dream of every children. You also have the dream to buy this car? Yes? And if you want to buy this car, then please click on that red color subscribe button. So in future, one day you will own this car in your parking lot. So if you like this video, then keep watching and goodbye for today. We will meet in the next video.